Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and I just wanted to share this with you. This is from our colleague, Alter Component, and this is really why I do everything I do on the channel. So, hey buddy, it's a great day to be a miner. Just thought I would drop you a note and thank you for all that you do for the mining community. It's really about you guys. Every single one of you throughout the ecosystem that make this crypto mining adventure so much fun. It's all about you. Glad to see you are almost at 30K. We are almost at 30K, so looking forward to doing some type of giveaway. Hit me up if you do a giveaway, and I'll kick in. We could include a little bit of swag for you. We appreciate you and glad to be a part of the mining content creation community with you. So seriously, keep up the good work or keep grinding. Hope you and yours are doing well. Send him a sticker. So I need to get him a sticker sent over, and we apparently won a device in a giveaway, I want to say, but obviously inside the box we got some swag. Look at that, heck yeah. So we got some swag, stickers, keychain. We have something from Canon down here, have to look at that. We have another device. What is this? And then we have another one over here. Anything else? No. Okay. So, ROG fan shroud. Okay. Oh, 3D printed fan shrouds. Oh, Asus. Okay. The ROG logo. Okay. Cool. What's in this box? Ooh. Nice. I actually have one of these. But I have a 7-port. This is a 6-port. You see how there's a spot missing right here? So I have one of these. It's a 7-port one. You connect this to your, your buy one PCIe slot, and you can break it out into 6 more USB. Came with screws, full height bracket. That's cool. That's cool. And then I am not sure what's in here. Don't want to show anybody's label. Let me cut this open real quick. Oh, sweet. Avalon Nano keychain and Avalon Nano, but I am not sure what's in this box right here. Let's see if we get that open. It's a little USB fan. Interesting. You know, it'd be interesting to put this on the Nano 3 on the front side to try to cool it. It's powered by USB Type A port. Not sure what the voltage is on this thing. Doesn't say it anywhere that I can see. But I'm assuming your normal USB power should be fine. Use like a power brick or something. Plug that in. And I'm pretty sure we get some sort of airflow. Maybe you guys know. I don't know off the top of my head what this goes on. But it does extend. Maybe put on the back of your phone. Interesting. Pretty cool. Thank you, Alter Component, for sending these things over. I'll find a good home. Matter of fact, I could probably put one of these Asus ROG covers on this fan that's cool on the back side of the FPGA just to protect anybody from, putting their fingers in there. But yeah, it's all about you guys. It's all about the community. This is a great community to be a part of. We had some trials and tribulations during the bear markets, but usually during the bear market, everybody starts fighting with each other. I personally didn't get into it with anybody, but gotta stay strong, guys. Even if the GPU mining profitability has taken a hit, there's plenty of other opportunities for this entire community, the entire crypto mining community, whether it's GPU mining, FPGA mining, ASICs mining, does not matter. There's plenty of room for all of us to grow. So grow together, stay positive, take care of one another, and I look forward to seeing some of you at Mine Disrupt. If I don't catch you at Mine Disrupt, Alter Component, I appreciate you. We need to get you a sticker. But that's going to do it for today's video. Do me a favor on the way out. Hit that like button. Get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. As well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. I'll catch you in the next one.